No, this will not vote by me. No. We're going to give a chance to you. Okay. Comrades, the point is that people have died. People have died. And they must tell you. Okay. They don't want to speak. It is fine. Yeah. It is fine. If they don't want to speak, it is fine. Yeah. No, it doesn't go to her. You are happy people are dead. You are discipline. Comrades, they must not pretend that their words are in any way holy and they are going to leave us blessed. No. There is nothing that they are going to say that is going to return your loved ones. And we are here to tell them. We are here to tell them that the people that have died underground, the people that have died underground are your brothers, are your fathers, are your sons. They've killed them and they need to know that. The Minister of Minerals Resources, he knows for months and for years, Makua and other mining affected communities have been protesting at their offices against lack of jobs, against unemployment, against poverty, and lack of development.